Hi guys, so today's cinnamon rolls are on the menu. So if you want to know how to make these, stay tuned. So here I have 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to microwave that until it's around 110 degrees. If you do not have a thermometer, you can just test it out with sticking your finger in it. And if you stick your finger in it and it's too hot, that means it's too hot for the yeast. So to that, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar and whisk that together. And once you have that well combined, you just want to sprinkle 1 package of active dry yeast over the top. Let that sit for 5 minutes, and then I go in and just whisk it around a little bit, and then I let it sit an additional 5 minutes. And this is how it should look after a total of 10 minutes. So to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 5 tablespoons of softened butter. And you just want to mix that until it's combined. And to this, I'm going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And so you don't want to over mix it. You just want to mix it until it's combined. And so I have a bowl sitting to the side that I've put a little oil in. So you just want to rub the oil all around the bowl, and then remove your dough, place it in the new bowl, and cover it with plastic wrap. And also I like to place a towel over it. And I'm going to sit it in the microwave for 1 hour and 30 minutes to let it rise. While that's rising, we're going to go ahead and make our filling for the cinnamon roll, which is a 1/2 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And you just want to stir all of that together until it's well combined. And this is how it should look. So now that our dough is ready, this is how it should look after 1 hour and 30 minutes. And so you just want to place your flour on your table. And then I like to take the dough and place it on top and just begin to knead it a little bit. And you'll see me kneading the dough. This is kneading it when you're just kind of trying to get it together and not as sticky. So you may need to add more flour down because you do not want your cinnamon roll dough to stick to your table. So I'm just kneading it out here. And then I'm going to get a rolling pin and begin to roll the dough out. And if you see that it's sticking, just add more flour down. And I like to move it around to prevent it from sticking. And so I also have some butter that I've just softened in the microwave, or you can leave it out and let it come to room temperature. You just want to spread that all around. It's no specific measurement when it comes to that. Just if you don't like a lot of butter, you can put a little, or if you like a lot of butter, you can add a lot of butter. But I think I use maybe like a 1/2 stick of butter on here. And then once you have everything spread it out, then you're just going to take that that filling that we made earlier, and you're just going to spread it all around the top of the dough. And I just like to make sure I have all of those spots filled. So now I'm just going to go in with my bench scraper just to get me started, and then I just start to roll. You start to roll your cinnamon roll, and you just go from one end to the next. And it should, if you have your surface floured good, it should just roll right up. And I'm just going to take my bench scraper and cut. If you don't have a bench scraper, you can take a knife. It works just as well. And you cut these cinnamon rolls as big or as small. I don't like to do them too big because it makes the baking time longer. So we're just going to place these on a baking sheet, and I like to use parchment paper, or you can just spray your baking sheet with a non-stick spray. You're going to bake these on 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. So while those are in the oven, we're going to make our glaze. So you're going to start off with some powdered sugar. I'm also going to add just a little milk and vanilla. And I don't have measurements on this. I basically just eyeball it. And you want to add just a very little vanilla and milk at a time, because it does thin out. If you see that it's too thin, just add more confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. They're both the same thing. And so I just continue to whisk until that's combined, until it's smooth. Okay, here's how your cinnamon roll should look after about 15-20 minutes. And so now I'm just going to take my glaze, and I like to do it when it's hot so it could just melt all over the cinnamon rolls. And so guys, you all are going to enjoy these cinnamon rolls. My kids love them. I make them for my kids and my husband. So yeah, just really quick and easy. The only thing that you will spend time on is just letting them rise, but other than that, it's a pretty quick and easy recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I want you all to have a great day. See you guys on the next one. Bye.